See in 100 seconds. Binary tree traversal. Same tree structure from last episode. Node with left and right, create node, and recursive insert. We build the same 6-node tree to demonstrate 3 different traversal orders. Watch Inorder on line 27. See the order, recurse left first, then print the current node, then recurse right. Left, root, right. This gives you sorted output from a BST. See lines 29 to 31. In order of left, print of data, in order of right. The print sits in the middle. That is why it is called in order. The root is in between. Now watch Preorder on line 34. See the difference. Printf comes first on line 36 before the recursive calls. Root, left, right. The root is printed before its children. See Postorder on line 42. Watch lines 44 and 45. Both recursive calls happen before the printf on line 46. Left, right, root. The root prints last. Compare all 3 on screen. See how the only difference is where the printf line sits. In the middle for Inorder, at the top for Preorder, at the bottom for Postorder. Same recursion, different print position. Watch main. We build the same tree as last episode. 50 at the root, 30 and 70 as children, then 20, 40, and 60. 3 traversal calls, 3 different outputs. See the output. Inorder gives 20 through 70 sorted. Preorder starts with 50, the root, then visits left subtree first. Postorder ends with 50. The root prints last. Same tree, 3 orders. Next up, binary search tree operations.